how to lock Facebook profile in one step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile in just one simple step. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, this quick tutorial will help you keep your profile secure and private from strangers. So let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open your Facebook app or simply go to the web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, it's the same process. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, simply go to your profile page. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture. After that, what you need to do is, here's the magic, simply tap on the three dots next to the edit profile button. And here, find an option that says lock profile. Tap on it. You'll then prompted with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to lock your profile. Simply tap on lock your profile again and you're done. Once your profile is locked, here's what happens. Only your friends will be able to see your post, photos and details on your profile. Any public information like your profile and cover photo will still be visible, but it will be protected from strangers. This is a great way to keep your profile private and ensure that only people you trust can see your personal content. And that's it. You've successfully locked your Facebook profile in just one simple step.